How to send video from your gallery as a streak on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually send a video from your own gallery as a snap streak on Snapchat without actually losing your streak. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, what you want to do is simply make sure you have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version, because this is actually a new feature. Previously what happened was you have to actually use third-party applications, and if you actually tried it from the Snapchat app itself, it wouldn't actually send as a streak and you would actually lose your snap streak. So in order to not to lose it, you want to make sure to update the app to the latest version. If there is still an update button in the App Store, go ahead and tap on that upload button. Make sure to actually update it unless you don't see the open button. So once we've actually updated Snapchat, I'm going to simply open Snapchat right over here. Let's say I want to snap a particular friend without actually losing the snap streak. So what I want to actually do and send a video is that you actually want to tap on this profile or this emoji icon which you see at the bottom corner. Once you tap on this emoji icon, what you can do is at the bottom right, you'll be able to see this magnifying glass icon, which is the explore icon. So what you can do is simply tap on the explore button right over here. And in the search box here, what we want to type in is called simply video upload. So go ahead and simply type in video upload right over here, and you'll actually be able to see multiple effects and filters. Now you can simply go ahead and choose any of the filter which you like. Any of these is actually going to work. You can simply tap on it. Let's say the first one. And from here, what you want to do is you simply want to select a video which you actually want to send as a snap from your gallery without actually losing your snap streak. So let's say this video right over here. What you can do is you want to simply long press and hold on this button right over here in order to record this video as a snap. Now once you actually hold and record, sometimes what happens is that you might not actually be able to hear the audio. If you're not being able to hear the audio, you want to make sure that you are not using headphones or any type of external mics, and then make it to the maximum volume possible, because it is actually going to record the audio from your microphone. So make sure to do that. And once you've actually recorded your video right over here, this is a video footage which has been recorded from our video gallery. So you can tap on the send to button and you can go ahead and select any of the friends which you want in order to send this video as a streak on Snapchat without actually losing your snap streaks. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.